beautiful people, this is Ankita Bhardwaj. Welcome to my channel Ankita's Divine Tarot. This channel is all about pick a card readings, zodiac sign readings and monthly predictions. So if you are interested, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if the readings are resonating, then please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Now today I'm here with a pick a card on what is coming up for you in the year 2021. How is it going to be in your career, in your professional life, in your personal life, in your family life, or whatever, what blessings are coming for you in the year 2021. As we all know, 2020 has been a very tough year for many of us, actually for all of us, but I can assure you that change is coming now. So let's see what change is coming for you this year. So I have 5 crystals with me. The first one here is selenite, the white crystal. The second one here is citrine, the yellow crystal. The third one I have is the pretty rose quartz, the pink crystal. The fourth one here is black tourmaline, the black crystal. And the last one is the moonstone, which is off-white in color, if you can see. Now you have to take a deep breath and you have to release all the negativity. You have to connect to the universe, you have to connect to yourself, and then you have to pick your crystal. I will be moving forward with my readings. In the description below I'll be giving the timestamp so you can forward it towards your reading. Hello my pile one, which is this white crystal selenite. Let's see what is coming up for you in the year of 2021. What changes you can notice in the year 2021. What is going to happen? How is your career going to be? How is your professional life going to be? And all about that. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can have more of such pick a card readings. Okay, so I do see that the pile who have picked the white crystal, which is the selenite, I see that you have choices in front of you, or maybe in the year 2021 you are going to have choices. You will need to decide which way you want to go ahead with. You will need to know what is right, what is wrong, because I have the justice card here with me that explains that you need to move forward, but before that you need to take a decision in your life which is going to be very important, and it's going to be a major decision. I also see you really need to be careful this year because your energies are coming as if maybe it's, I have the 7 of swords with me, so maybe it is you who is keeping a secret from somebody, or maybe it's someone else who's keeping a secret from you, so you have to be very careful for that matter. I also have the Tower card here, which explains that you might face some shocking situation in your life in the year 2021, so you have to be careful in that part also. Maybe somebody is going to cheat. If not cheat, maybe somebody has been hiding something from you, and you are going to know the truth about the person or what they had in mind all this time. And I guess for some of you all, I see that you all will be releasing the negativity. You all will be moving forwards in your life. I for sure see that for you all, but before that I also see that you will have to deal with a lot of tough times this year. But with that, I also see that you are going to heal. You are going to, maybe all this is happening right now with you, that you have faced this shocking situation. Take it whatever it resonates, because with some people it can resonate that it can happen in the future, and with some people it might resonate that it has already happened. You already have had this situation where you had to choose, where you have to make a decision for yourself, for your betterment. I see that maybe somebody has cheated or something like that, but I see that you are going to heal this year, which is a big message coming for you. Do you see this card? This is the 4 of swords and the goat sitting over there, and just being still, being with her, and focusing on her third eye chakra. She has become so much mature, she has become so much experienced in her life that she knows that this is the time to heal, this is the time to protect myself, this is the time to focus on myself and make myself a priority. So I see that you all will be doing that this year. Let's see from another deck what all is coming for pile 1, which is selenite. I don't think so you have to worry about anything actually, because yes, there are going to be tough times, but the best part is that you're going to become so mature, you're going to become so experienced, you're going to heal in a beautiful manner. Your energy is going to be so beautiful. Okay, the second deck is also somehow confirming everything, that for sure some kind of heartbreak is coming for you. Somebody is for sure hiding the truth from you, and maybe you have been avoiding to make a decision, or maybe you were hiding something from someone. It can resonate with anybody actually. Take whatever resonates, rest, just let it go. I see that some shocking news is coming your way. If not relationships, it cannot just be relationships, it can be a career also for some people, that maybe somebody has cheated you in your career, you were in a partnership and you were cheated by someone. It can be anything actually. But I also have the Sun card, which tells me that there is light at the end of the tunnel for you, and the light is actually very bright because this is the Sun card we have for you. So you are going to come out of this stronger, better, and such a mature person. You are going to finally realize that what is good for you, what is healthy for you, and what is toxic for you, and you are going to release the toxic part. You're going to accept what is good for you, and you're going to know what is good for you for sure. I also have 10 of Wands here. So if you start something new, there are going to be delays, or there are going to be struggle. There is going to be struggle, but I see you will need a lot of teamwork this year. There's going to be a lot of teamwork. There are going to be many people who are going to support you this year. It can be your friends, it can be people around your career, it can be your family. People are going to support you. There are going to be phases in your life when you will need people, and you are blessed that you will have that support with you. I see that you're going to be working with a lot of people this year. You're going to be exploring more now that you're coming out of this heartbreak or whatever the situation was. You will know what is the right who is the right person to work with, who is not, what group is healthy for you, what group is not healthy. All that I see coming for you. I also see that you are going to spend a lot this year, but I think you need to be careful for that matter, because spending can actually be very unsafe for you right now. I'm just asking you to be careful this year, because already there is something coming up that someone might cheat, or someone might lie to you, someone might hide something from you. So you have to be careful when you spend on others. You really have to be careful with your finances. You have to choose wisely where you're spending. And I see there is some good news also coming for you after all of this drama that is going to happen. I see good news also coming for you, so you don't have to worry. As I said before, that you do have light at the end of the tunnel. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, I really see that for this pile, the energies are very trapped right now, and maybe there's too much work or too much pressure, or something is causing you to go in that stressful mode, in that stressed zone. So I really want you to relax first of all, and I really want you to focus on yourself. I want you to heal from all that is going on, or in the future this phase might happen with you. So you really have to, the first step would be to just focus on yourself, let go of all that is happening around. It's not necessary for you to have any closure. it's necessary for you to understand and accept what they have done and to move on. That is what I'm trying to tell you. I have Eight of Air. So after all that happens, I see there is going to be lack of confidence in whatever you try something. If you try something new, if you go ahead with something new in your future, you are going to face a situation where there's going to be a lack of confidence. So I think you will need to build up your confidence this year. In short, I'm trying to say that this year is majorly going to be a big lesson for you, and the whole meaning of this year actually is healing for you. Actually, there's going to be a lot of healing for you. And I see again Ten of Fire, which is accepting help from others, accepting support from others, because people are going to be there when your life is going to be out of balance, when you are going to face a lot of pressure, a lot of stress in your life. People are going to be there. All you have to do is just accept the positivity that yes, something bad happened, but then I have people with me to support me, to help me in this situation. You have to try to at least see the positive in that situation. I also have the World card here that says a job well done, joy, contentment and gratitude, the path towards enlightenment. So all that you're going to face in the end, by the end of the year, or after 6 months, or after some time of whatever this happens, you are going to come out of it. You are going to feel rewarded. The universe is going to reward you joy, contentment and gratitude. You are going to connect to universe more. I see that spirituality is a big thing coming for you this year 2021. I feel you are going to be more, it can resonate with some and with some it cannot, but take whatever resonates. If you're not a spiritual person at all, if you don't believe, then let it go. But for some people, I for sure see that a lot of spirituality is coming. You're going to be affirming, you're going to be trying law of attraction, you're going to be manifesting, you're going to be praying. There's a lot of spiritual work I see coming ahead for you, and that is going to help you heal in this situation. That is going to bring you out of this dark period of your life. Let's see what is the guidance for you this year. Overall, I really don't want you to worry about anything. I think some of you, this might resonate with some, that some of you all are going to face this situation because of your personal life, in your relationships or in your marriage. Somebody's going to cheat or something like that. So for those people, I think you really need to be careful. Obviously, that's a big message. But for some people, I also see that if your personal life is going very good, if everything is good, then I see in your career you might feel cheated, or in your career somebody might cheat, or somebody might lie, somebody might have been lying and you just come to know about it now. So the career message is very strong rather than the personal message. So take whatever resonates, because I see you'll be spending and you'll be regretting later that I spent so much on this person and then I got cheated. So you're going to regret that also. So please be careful with your spending. That's a big message. Let's see what is the guidance for you this year. Okay, let go of fear now. Take your time making this decision. As I said before in the start of this reading, that you have to make a decision this year, whether to choose the positive side, whether to choose the negative side, whether to release the negative side, or whether to take the positive and accept the positivity in your life. So you have to take your time, release the insecurities, release the fear that what is going to happen, how are you going to be, how are you going to come back to where you are, how is it, all that fear, all that insecurities and all the anxious thoughts. Please release that. Take your time making this decision, that what you need to do in life right now. Do you need to let it go? Do you need to work on it? Do you need to put efforts with this person, or whatever? It can resonate to anybody in any manner. So just take your time. Don't make any hasty decisions. Whatever you're doing, I just want you to do it with your heart, when you're very pretty sure from the heart that yes, I want to move on. Yes, I want to clear the toxic energy from my life. Yes, I want to move forward with something, or yes, I want to put efforts with this relationship. Yes, I want to put efforts in this partnership. Whatever you want to do, just take your time when you want to do it. Prayer will help this situation. As I said, for many people, spirituality is coming. You will be praying, you will be affirming, you will be connecting to the universe, which I feel is the most beautiful thing in this pile, that you'll be connecting to universe. You are an empath. I can actually see that maybe you're an empath, and you are going to heal because of all the praying, affirmations, law of attraction, manifestation. You're going to heal because of that, and you're going to connect to universe because of that. And the universe is with you. The universe is trying to guide you. So take and accept that guidance and move on in your life. All right, pile 1, this is all I have for you today. Please let me know in the comments if it resonated or not. If it didn't, then it's okay. Maybe other message from me that comes to you will resonate. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye. Hello beautiful people. So the people who have picked this second pile, which is the yellow crystal citrine, let's see what is coming up for you this year. How is 2021 going to be for the pile who have picked citrine? What's coming for career? What's coming in general? What's coming for your love life? Let's see what you can expect this year. Let's see what the tarots are going to guide you on today. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this prediction, then please don't forget to like, comment and share. Okay, I have the Fool card with me that explains that for sure there is some new beginning coming for this pile. I'm so happy that this new beginning card has come for you, because for so many people so much is going on in life, because we all know how 2020 has been. So I'm really happy to see that for you, new beginning is coming. You're going to take a leap of faith in your life. You're going to move on in your life. You're going to fly. As you can see, the bird, the little bird, is trying to move forwards and trying to fly. She is trying to learn how to fly, but she's not scared to take that step. Can you see? She's not scared. That is the energy you're going to have in the year 2021 this time, that you're not going to feel scared. You're going to go with that. Whatever you want to go ahead with that. Whatever new you're trying, whether it's relationship, whether it's career, whatever it is, you're going to take that leap of faith. You're going to move forward, and you are going to take this risk, which is going to be very, very good for you. So you don't have to be scared. You know, I don't see that scary energy. I don't see that fearful energy with you. But today this video is also guiding you that you do not have to be scared, even if you are even a bit. I have the Father of Wands here that says that you are a very passionate person. You're very, maybe in life right now, you're very passionate about something. You want something badly. Maybe it's a relationship, maybe it's someone you want to marry, someone you want to get in a relationship with. I see mostly relationship, to be honest, but it can resonate however, you know, whatever is going on in your life. So if it's career, if you're really passionate about your career right now and you want to make it happen, I see you moving on with it, and I see you flying with beautiful colors, because I have 10 of Cups here, which is the wish fulfillment card. You're going to be satisfied this year. I see a very, very happy energy for the people who have picked this yellow crystal. I see very good cards, honestly. I have the Father of Pentacles also. So yes, you're a very mature person. I have a lot of male energy here. So I don't know, maybe you're a feminine, but this reading is related to a male energy, or maybe you're a male energy and this is your energy, that you're so so bold, but at the same time you're so grounded. I see very grounded energies coming for you. I see your career is going to proceed. I see your romantic life is going to proceed this year. What a beautiful cards, to be honest, for this pile. You guys, this is a lucky year for you all, for sure. Ten of Cups also says that you're going to have the emotional fulfillment that you have been longing for, that you have been working hard towards. Look at this. From the another deck, I have Wheel of Fortune. If you are facing anything hard right now, if things are very hard for you, if you're facing a very tough situation right now, things are going to suddenly change for you. And you know, this is all that you have been waiting for. As I was saying before while I picked the cards, that you have been waiting for this, you have been longing for this, and you're going to get it. Your hard work is bringing this. This year is majorly going to be a reward for you, to be honest. I also see that, you know, with emotional fulfillment, with you starting something new, I see you'll be working a lot as well. You'll be working for your goals and you'll be achieving your goals. That is also something I see for the pile 2. Yellow crystal. See, look at this. Citrine is a crystal of abundance, joy, contentment. You have picked it, and the cards also explain the same thing. Let's see what more we can see, what's coming for you. Okay, I have unity here. So I see that, you know, there are going to be many people in your life in 2021. They are going to guide you. They are going to give you the right guidance that you deserve. Or maybe you are going to learn something from somebody, or you're going to teach somebody something. Maybe you are going to be that person who's going to guide a lot of people. Maybe you are going to be that person who is going to you know, teach a lot of people, or you know, many people look up to you. Maybe you know, you're going to act like a mentor to many people. And if this is not your energy, then for sure you are going to seek a lot of advice and guidance from your mentor, from your friends, from your family, or whoever you connect to. They're going to guide you a lot. And I have Queen of Fire here, again a very, very passionate energy. So many wands here for you. I see a lot of passion for you. If this is a relationship, I see a lot of passion in this relationship. If this is career, I see you being very passionate about your career this year, and you're going to achieve a lot in your career this year. And Queen of Fire explains that, you know, you're going to stretch your wings. You're going to stretch your wings this year. You're going to as I said before, it's actually very similar. You're going to fly with beautiful colors. You're not going to underestimate yourself. Maybe in the past you have been underestimating yourself, you had some lack of confidence or whatever, but this year you're going to release all the lack of confidence. You're going to release all of the fear. You're going to release all of that insecurities or that underestimating thought that you had for yourself. You're going to release that. You're going to be independent. You're going to be creative this year. For some people, I also see creativity coming. And I also have 9 of Earth, which is the I would say the main card for independence. So yeah, you're going to enjoy life in 2021 a lot. You're going to be independent. There's going to be successful self-employment for many people. If you are into business, if you have your own business, I see a lot of lucky things happening in your business this year. I see that there's going to be a lot of success. And if you are in job, and then also I see you proceeding in your career. I see very, very good things coming for you. I honestly don't see anything negative in your cards. I think your struggle is now about to end, and this video is a confirmation that you can accept the positivity in your life now, because all the positive things are coming your way. Now let's see what guidance you have for the year 2021. What does the universe wants you to know? What do you need to work on? Let's see. Okay, wow, I have very good cards for this pile, to be honest. Okay, I have honor and trust your feelings. So this year you will have to trust your feelings. If you see, look at this, at the bottom of the deck I have you are on the right path. So pile 2, whatever you're moving forward with, whatever new you're wanting to try, whatever it is, whatever it is, the right path for you. You are meant for this. You're going to flourish in this path, and you just have to trust your feelings. You have to trust your instincts. You have to have faith in yourself. Yeah, that yes, if I am passionate about you, I'm going to make it happen. Okay. And I see a favorable outcome in this situation coming for you. But this is the guidance for you today, that whatever you are wanting to overcome in your life, you're wanting to start in your life, there's going to be a favorable outcome. You just have to work for it. You just have to have faith, and you just have to Be consistent and trust your feelings, that whenever your intuition is going to guide you this year, listen to it, because this year your intuition is going to support you a lot. Prayer will help this situation, so keep affirming, keep praying, because all the good things, all the positivity is coming to your way, like I said. So praying and affirmation will only make it better. This way you're not going to attract anything negative, and you will be able to accept all that good is coming in this year for you. I think that is all I have for pile 2, citrine. This was a very beautiful pile. I hope you all are satisfied. If it resonated, then please don't forget to like and comment. Let me know in the comments if it resonated. If it didn't resonate, then it's okay. There might be other messages on my channel that are for you. You can check them out. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Hello to the people who have picked this beautiful rose quartz, the pile 3. Let's see what is coming for you in the year 2021. What changes can you accept? But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if the readings are resonating, then please don't forget to like and comment to the channel. Okay, let's see what's coming up for rose quartz. The people who have picked rose quartz. Okay. The first card is a very positive card, which is a Mother of Cups. This is a very bright and a very emotional and a very sensitive card, to be honest. Maybe this is your energy, that you're a very sensitive or an emotional person, or maybe this is going to be somebody in your life is going to enter who's going to be very emotional, who's going to be very sensitive, and you're going to connect to this person this year. I also see that maybe you are going through something right now in life. If not right now, then maybe in the future, in the recent future, this year, you are going to face something where you will need guidance, where you will need to know what is the right thing to do, because I see there is going to be a slow process for whatever it is. I see that maybe you will be trying to balance your life a lot. You will be trying to hold on to that hope. I actually see good cards for you. It's not like something very bad is coming for you, nothing like that. It's just I see that whatever you're going to be trying, it's going to take time. You will need to be patient with it, and I see that you will try to maintain balance. There's going to be a lot of balance this year in 2021, whether it's balancing yourself financially or romantically. It can be actually anything. So however, I see a lot of balance coming for you. I also see that some people might get government jobs. For some people, this is I guess resonating, that you might get government jobs. But if you're not looking for government jobs, you have your business or you're into something other job, then I see then there is going to be a raise for you. Financially, you're going to feel stable this year, but it is going to take time. That is also a big message I'm seeing for you. And look at this, I have Father of Wands. So for sure you're working on something. And again I have Six of Pentacles, which is the card of balance, which is the card of it's the card of give and take. So whoever you're going to meet this year in 2021, I don't know what has happened with you in the past. Maybe you have given a lot and you have not received that, but in this year 2021, I see there is going to be a balance. Whatever you're going to give, you are going to receive that. If it's a relationship, if it's a partnership with someone in business, if it's if you're going to work in your career, if you're going to put efforts in something, you are going to get the rewards. You are going to receive what you deserve. That is something I see for sure. Balance is the big message actually I'm getting for this pile. Let's see. I see financially you're going to be stable this year. You don't have to worry. Maybe if right now you are not financially stable, this year is going to bring stability for you financially. Majorly I'm seeing. I have the Chariot card. As I told you that many people are going to have a promotion. Many people are going to move forward in their life with whatever they're doing. It's just that it is going to take time. there are going to be delay in the situation. There can be some delay. You will work a lot for it. You will have to work for it. But as I said before, whatever you work for, you're going to get it in this year itself. Maybe in the past you have worked a lot but you have not received what you deserve, but this year is going to be the year of reward. But before that, obviously you will have to work a lot more. You will have to struggle. I won't even say struggle, but there will be delays for you. I also have the devil card here, so I suggest you to not be toxic. I mean toxic in a sense that don't let negativity come in your mind. Don't give negativity a chance, because I see that those negative thoughts can affect your life, can affect maybe those negative, the cards are explaining that those negative thoughts can actually bring more delays in your life. So you have to try to be positive. I also see that in many people's life there might be some people around you who do not really want good for you, who do not really wish that good things should happen to you. So you have to be aware of that situation. You have to know them, and you have to just be, again I have the card balance and unity. So again and again the same message is coming, that there's going to be a lot of balance in the year 2021 for this pile. There's going to be unity. You're going to meet people who are going to, whoever new people you meet, I see there's going to be equal give and take. When you help, they are going to help. When you do something for someone, they are going to do something for you. I see that Knight of Water also tells me that personally, this year, to be honest, it's, I just told you that you're going to get promoted. So with that, whenever you get promoted, I also see that some new love is coming in your life. And if you're already in a relationship, that relationship can take another level this year. Maybe you're going to step up your game in this relationship. So in that manner, I see very good cards for this pile. I also see that maybe for some people wedding is very close, for some people engagement is very close. All that is coming. But before that, if you are wanting to get married to someone and it's not happening yet, in this year also there can be delays, but in the end it is going to happen. You just need to let go of the fear, and you need to release all the negative thoughts, because those negative thoughts can create more delays. So you have to affirm, you have to pray, you have to be spiritual, you have to just align yourself with the universe and have patience that whatever is meant to happen will happen. I also see that you will be taking a lot of guidance this year, or maybe you will be guiding someone. Majorly I see that maybe you will be taking a lot of guidance from many people this year, whether it's your promotion in career, whether it's your promotion in your personal life, whatever it is, you're going to think about it a lot, and you're going to get a lot of advice from a lot of people that should I move forward with it or should I not. And I think that will be good for you, because that will give you bigger and better perspective and a positive perspective towards things. I see so in all, I think things are going to be delayed. You will work hard for everything, you will try to make it work, but there are going to be delays. But you are also going to get the reward that you deserve, and you're going to get it within this year itself. Let's see what is the guidance for you this year. Okay, I have be gentle with yourself. This card explains that you really have to let go all of those negative thoughts that you have, all the weight and burden that you have on your shoulders. You have to let it go, you have to relax, you have to take a deep breath. You can get support from others, you can ask for advice from others. If you're feeling a lot of weight on your shoulders, then you have to release all that. You have to be gentle with your life and with you, because all the good things are coming. It's just taking time. It's going to be a slow process, but it is going to happen. That is what I'm trying to explain. I have pay attention to your dreams also. So recently, if you are having dreams about all of this stuff, whether it's marriage, whether it's a relationship, new relationship, whether it's engagement, whether it's your career moving forwards, or whether it's even if you're having any negative dream, focus on that. What is that dream saying to you? What is the message in that dream? What do you need to do with that dream? Okay, if you do not understand what that dream means, you can actually message me on Instagram, on YouTube. You can comment down below if you're having dreams. Let me know, maybe I can help you to know what that dream actually means and what you need to do. And then I have, you created the situation and you have the power to change it. So I see that you need to affirm, you need to be positive, because you have the control, you have the power to manifest everything that you want in your life. Yes, it can take time, but it's okay. Good things take time, and you have to understand that. You have to be patient. You just have to have faith that whenever it is going to happen, the bigger perspective over here is that it is going to happen. So I think with that I'm going to wrap up, and my big suggestion, big guidance for you in the year 2021 is going to be that please be patient, be gentle with yourself, release the negativity, and keep on working, keep on doing what you love. You are going to get what you deserve for sure this year. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Hello to the people who have picked the fourth pile, which is the black tourmaline, the black crystal. Let us see what is coming for you this year, 2021. What changes are coming your way? What can you expect this year? But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like the reading, if the readings are resonating, then please don't forget to like and comment down below. And let's see what's coming up for pile 4, the black crystal. Wow. Okay, the first crystal I have here, the first card I have here is the Chariot, which says there's going to be a lot of movement this year in your life. You're going to move forwards. You're going to have you're going to meet a lot of people. That is also one big message coming for you. You're going to meet a lot of people this year. You're going to be independent. You're going to move forward in your life. You're going to have the public recognition. I see you having, or you holding a dignity in your community. I see that coming for you. Financially, I see that you're going to be independent. Financially, you're going to earn. And if you're still learning or if you're still studying, I see that this year finances are not going to be really a problem with you. I also have the World card that says that there is going to be satisfaction this year for you. There's going to be an end to a bad cycle, and there's going to be a new beginning to something. But I also want you to keep in mind that there are going to be people who will not like your success. There are going to be people who are going to be jealous of what good things are coming your way, because I have the Devil card here, which explains that, you know, people are going to try to ruin things for you, try to create blockages for you, but all you have to do is ignore and release the negativity. That is something I'm seeing here. I see but a lot of growth for you this year for sure. I see that you know, you are going to, like in previous pile I did see growth, but it was slow. With you, I see this growth is coming in a very hasty manner. You are going to be you know, you're going to be feeling like, you know, suddenly something beautiful is happening in your life. I have the Empress card here that says you know, you're going to reach at a point in your life where you're going to feel that, okay, this is what I was working for, this is what I needed. Wow, very beautiful cards for the pile 4. I have the Judgment. The blessings are going to be with you. God's blessings, your angels' blessings, or even your deceased loved ones are going to be there for you. Your parents, your family is going to be there for you. You're going to be supported spiritually, and from your friends, from your family. People are going to support you. I see you're going to meet a lot of people. I see you're going to have a lot of fun this year. 2021 is going to be the year of fun for you. The movement is something, a big message for this pile is movement. There's going to be massive movement for you. So if you're working on any project, if you're starting something new, whether it's a relationship, whether it's your career, there's going to be massive growth, massive movement. Look at this, the Sun card has popped up for you. The Sun is the brightest card. There's going to be happy outcome for you. Brilliant new ideas are coming your way. there's going to be a lead to success, and all you have to do is just have confidence in yourself and release all the negativity that people might throw at you this year, because I see there are going to be people who are going to, you know, create problems for you, but all you have to do is just ignore and be focused on what you're doing. I have the 10 of water, a contented and a rewarding family life. So I think personally also you're going to feel very satisfied. Emotional fulfillment is something coming for you. Your emotional and material needs both are going to be met. You are going to be in trustworthy relationships this year, whether it's friends, whether it's a romantic relationship, whether you're in your career, you're building up relationship with people. The connections are going to be very, very trustworthy. I have 6 of water, the card of balance, and the card of giving and receiving. So you know, whatever you're going to do for others, others are also going to be doing that for you. That's a big thing I'm getting here. The only thing you need to worry about is the people who are going to create blockages. Many people maybe have an evil eye on you, so you need to be protected for that matter. You need to protect yourself. You need to, because all these negativity, all such negative thoughts of others and such you know, efforts, negative efforts of others can affect you and your life. So you have to be careful in that manner. Other than that, I really don't think so you have to worry about anything. Let's see what is the guidance for you this year. What do you need to really do this year? Oh my god, the cards are actually resonating a lot, because I have go forward fearlessly. I think you really have to do nothing but to move forward in your life. And then I have detached from this situation. You know, go forward fiercely. If you look at this card, that woman is so much focused on her career. The woman is career or whatever. The woman is so focused, so concentrated, that she's not actually thinking about anything but her project, but her light that she has in her hand, the talent that she has in her hand. So I guess all you have to do is just focus on what you're doing and not let other people invade, because that can be very stressful. Because I have detached from the situation that says try to cut your cords from the negative people this year, and I see you will be cutting your cords from the negative people this year, and you'll be moving forward. I see a lot of confidence in you this year. Your home is protected by angels. That is also a guidance I am getting for you. That means that you are blessed, you are guided by the universe, and universe wants nothing but good for you. You're a pure child for sure, and you really need to focus on what is coming your way. Look at this, I have a favorable outcome. So whatever you do this year, I think if you're wanting to start something new and you're not able to make a decision, I would suggest that this year is a very good year for new beginnings in your life. So you really need to release all that fear, all that indecisiveness that you're facing right now, and make that happen. Whatever you want to make it happen, just don't let other people's negativity affect you in any way. That is a big message I'm getting for your year 2021. There's going to be a lot of movement, there's going to be a lot of growth. You are going to flourish in many ways. You are going to feel confident, independent. You're going to connect to a lot of people. You're going to have fun this year. But people can create problems for you. Again and again, I'm saying people can create blockages and hurdles for you. You have to control that. You know, you cannot let others, you cannot give others the power to control your life in any way. You have to control your life. You have to you know, protect yourself in whatever manner you can. Whatever intuitions the universe is sending you, whatever you know, thoughts the universe is sending you, that this is not the right person and I need to cut cords, or maybe I have an evil eye going on in my life and I need to protect myself. So you will do everything to cut yourself from all that negativity. That is a big message I'm getting. Other than that, I see really good cards for this pile. I hope this resonated. If it didn't, then it's okay. There might be other messages on my channel that might resonate with you. With that, I will have to wrap up. Please don't forget to comment in my video and let me know how the reading was, and I'll see you in my next video. Hello to the people who have picked this beautiful moonstone, which is off-white color. Let's see what is coming up for you this year 2021, what changes you can expect this year. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if the readings are resonating, then please don't forget to like, comment and share. Let's see what is coming for this beautiful crystal moonstone, which is the crystal of intuitions. So let's see how you're going to be connected to the universe this year. Okay, I have 5 of Pentacles here. The Magician here. Okay, now this resonates with Moonstone. The Magician is the card of connecting to the universe, manifesting whatever you want, and making things happen for yourself, affirming, praying. So somehow that is connecting to that crystal moonstone that you have picked. I see this year you're going to be working a lot. Maybe right now also your energies are coming as if you are working. There's a lot of hard work going on from your side, and in 2021 also you're going to make things happen. The Magician and 8 of Wands, 8 of Pentacles is saying the same thing, that you're going to make things happen for yourself. Like the spider is knitting the web, making his home for himself. The same way you are going to make things happen for yourself. There are going to be new beginnings this year. But I also see that maybe this is your current energy, that you're regretting something in life, or maybe in the future there is going to be a situation where you're going to regret something, or there's going to be a sorrow period in your life where you will face a lot of difficulties. Maybe at one point you will feel that I'm working a lot, I'm putting a lot of efforts, but it is just not happening. And at that time, I think you need to follow your intuition that things are going to work, but it is just going to take time. Because at that moment, I do see that the universe will be guiding you, that things are going to happen. Like you're seeing this video, this is universe guiding you that things are going to happen for you. It just can take time, and you have to be patient, and you have to be consistent with whatever you're doing. You cannot give up. I see the Temperance card, so you're going to handle a lot of things at once this year. There's you're going to maybe handle two things at a time, or maybe more. I see a lot of work going on for you this year for sure. I also see, as I said before, new beginnings are coming for you, which says Son of Pentacles says that in your career you might get opportunities this year. You might get what you deserve. Opportunities are going to come your way, new things are going to come your way, and especially I see that in your career. I see that there's going to be, the Temperance and the 6 of Pentacles, actually both the cards are telling me that there is going to be a balance, and financially you are going to feel stable, but it's just you will need to work a lot for that. You will need to work a lot. You will need to handle a lot of stuff in your surroundings. You will need to handle yourself, maybe other people, your work, your relationship. So there's going to be a lot of work, and I see that maybe at some point in your life this year in 2021 you can become very sensitive, or you might face that period where you feel very fragile, you feel broken, and even if little things might also start bothering you. That is what I'm seeing. But at that moment, I think you need to, what the guidance comes here is that you need to be faithful on the universe, and whatever you're handling, whatever you are going to work for, the results are going to come. It's just there is going to be some delay or struggle let's see. Okay, I have 3 of earth also. So yeah, see, high quality work is for sure coming for you. There's going to be a lot of work. So I think this pile, the moonstone, really, this is the pile of action. You have to work a lot this year. There's going to be a lot of work pressure. I'm not warning you, or I'm not scaring you, but it's just a guidance from the universe that there is going to be a lot of pressure, there is going to be a lot of work, but then you're also going to get the results and the rewards that you deserve. With that, I also have the Empress card that says, you know, with all that pressure, with all that hard work, you also need to nurture yourself. You also need to pay attention to your health, because all this pressure can affect your health in a lot of manner. In many ways it can affect your relationships also. So you really have to pay attention to yourself also. You have to nurture yourself also. You have to take care of your personal life and your fitness. So but the Empress also explains new beginnings. So new beginning is coming, work is there, but rewards are also there, because Empress card also tells that abundance is also going to be there. I have Queen of Fire, which is the card of spreading your wings. So this is the time to spread your wings. This is the time for action. This is the time for creativity. This is the time to make things happen in your life. 2021 for Moonstone, especially for Moonstone pile, 2021 is going to be the year of action, the year of making things happen, the year of manifesting. And you know, there's going to be a lot of work. You're going to work, but then your dreams are going to come true, which is very important. I have your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. So as I told you, this card is this crystal is about intuition. So this year 2021, intuitions are actually going to be very, very strong for you. They're going to guide you. Your inner guidance is going to tell you what is right, what is wrong. All you have to do is just listen at the moment, and for that obviously you will need to pay attention to yourself also. And I also have the confirmation from the universe that you're on the right path. So you know, with this pile, I feel that maybe you're working a lot and now you're not getting results. So you feel, or you might feel in the future, that maybe this is not the right path. So the universe is guiding you that this is the right path. It can take time, but don't forget to listen to your intuition, to listen to your gut, and to listen to your heart. What is it that you exactly want to do? If this is really what you want, then make it happen. Keep working for it. Make the efforts, and you are going to get what you deserve. Your dreams are going to come true. It just can take time. I also have, it's time to leave the unhealthy situation. So with your energies, I really do see that right now also you are facing some situation where you feel like giving up, where you feel like maybe I need to do something else. But no, all you have to do is just release yourself from the negative thoughts. You need to feel free of the negative thoughts so that you can see the positive side. Yes, it can take time. You have to keep working, because this year is going to test you. There is going to be work, there's going to be pressure, there's going to be a responsibility on you. You're going to manage a lot of things together, but then this year is just a test and you are going to pass in that. You just have to keep going. You cannot give up. That is the big message I'm getting for this pile for the year 2021. If this resonated, then please let me know in the comments. If it didn't resonate, it's okay. There might be other messages on my channel that might resonate. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.